What's up? My name is Jessica. I go by Speaks, and welcome to our Canva for Beginners video series. To start off, I want to just give you a disclaimer. I am not a designer. I am nowhere near a social media designer, and Canva still works for me. So if you are thinking to yourself, or you're sitting here going, oh my gosh, now I have to become a social media graphics designer along with running my business, along with everything else I have to do in life. Yes, you do. However, if you feel like you're not good at it, or maybe you feel like you're amazing at it, but Canva will help you enhance it. If you feel like you're not good at it, then Canva will definitely make you look like you know what you're doing, right? So I just want to put that out there because I am in no way, shape, or form the best designer in the world. However, I do know how to use the tools, and I'm happy to share that education and information with you. I've used Canva for a long time, long time. and I am super excited to share some of the things that I've learned over the last couple of years about Canva and the way that Canva has evolved. Now, some similar products that you may want to check out if Canva is not your jam, if you feel like you get into Canva and you're like, I just don't know about this thing, is Snappa. So Snappa is another tool similar to Canva, and they're not as well known as Canva is. However, they are a great alternative to Canva. If we'll go, let's go in here and just pick Facebook post here. And I'm already signed in, of course, so you'll need to sign up for an account. But they have similar templates, just like Canva. Theirs look a little bit more on the, I don't want to use the word professional, but I guess I'll use it for a lack of better words. So they're a little bit more simple. Let me put it that way. They're a little bit more simpler than the Canvas. The Canvas do have a lot more going on, and they have a huge selection to choose from. This is kind of drilled down just a bit. So Snappa is an option. However, they only allow you to create, I believe it's 5 graphics free per month. And then after that, you do have to pay. Another alternative option available to you is PicMonkey. And actually, PicMonkey came on the scene before Canva did. But what PicMonkey started off doing, Canva picked it up and took it to a whole nother level. So PicMonkey is not free at all. You actually have to pay in order to use it. I believe they have a free trial, but then after that, you have to pay. It's $8 a month, which is really, it's a no-brainer. They have upped their game some, to be competitive with Canva. However, Canva is the number one choice for a lot of people for the reason being it's free. It has a lot more options available to you, easy to use, so on and so forth. So we'll be focusing mainly on Canva, but I wanted to let you know that there are other choices available to you, or other options available to you if you choose to go that route. So, with that all being said, let's take a quick look and a quick review over Canva and some of the options available. So we have all of your designs here, right? This is if you had designs, because I'm going to I'm going to think that you're just starting out, right? I'm going to assume that you're just starting out. For me, I have a gazillion of them in here. I'm not going to bore you with that. Templates are all of your templates for different platforms. I mean, they have Facebook posts, they have Instagram stories, they have Instagram posts, they have Facebook covers, they have flyers, they have presentations, they have YouTube thumbnails, they have cards, they have invitations, brochures, logos, resumes, posters, infographics, yada, 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 right? There's so much that you can choose from here. And if you just want to go directly to it, you can type it in here. Similar to what you see here, Facebook post comes up because I just typed that in earlier on today. Then you have photos. Now, with the photos, they provide you with a couple of free photos that you can use. A couple of other platforms that you may want to write down is Pixabay. Pixabay has really great photos as well as videos that you can use. So they're a great alternative option available to you. All right. Another option available to you is Unsplash. Unsplash is another great option that I like. Usually, I started off with Unsplash and then I moved to Pixel, which they have video as well as photos available to you as well. These are all stock images. They're all available to you to use for free. I believe you can give give a shout out or give money. I think one of these platforms you can actually, yeah, so you can donate to the photographers here as well. So I love that platform. If it's a really cool picture that I really enjoy, or if it's a picture of an African American mom, because it's really hard for me to find images of African American moms, I will donate to that photographer usually. So those are a couple of different options you may want to write down that where you can pull photos from for free and use them in your advertisements, your social media posts, so on and so forth. So those are available to you. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and hop back over to Canva. And once again, they give you a couple of different pictures for free, but if you can't find what you're looking for in Canva, know that you have the other options that I mentioned earlier to you. And then you have your apps. So Canva does connect to a lot of other apps that you can use inside of Canva and connect to and integrate with, all that good stuff. Now, you do have to pay an additional cost to do so. So you may want to just check it out. Go in here, take a look around, see if there's anything you like. Now, Brand Kit. One of the wonderful features that Canva offers that a lot of people don't know about is their color palette. So if you type in color palette generator on Canva, what you can do is upload your photo to the color palette, and then it'll help you pull out all of your colors and your hex codes that you need to place into your brand kit. So if I were to go here and upload a photo, I'm going to go ahead and just choose one that I have here. Let's go with that one. I'm going to open it up. It's going to upload. And now it's going to tell me what colors. So cool. Now I have my blue, so I know what hex code this color blue is. I have some dark slate gray, which I don't know where they got that from, but okay, I'll use it. But all of these colors kind of flow together. And so I can use these same colors over and over again, which helps with the consistency of your brand and building out your photos. So you can take these hex codes, you can place them into Canva, into your brand kit. Now, this is a premium option. I think I had premium at one time, and then I said, okay, no, I don't need premium no more. So now I just have a regular one. But these are some colors and some ideas that I had before. What was I thinking here? I don't know. Sometimes when you're in this, you just have ideas and you run with it. I guess I was just into cupcakes in 2013. I have no idea. Now my brand colors are here, which are very just basic. I like them. They flow. They're calming. Yes, let's Jessica go that route. And this is the route that I've gone. So just let you know, you can upload your colors here. So you would press that plus sign. Once again, I have the premium. The premium, I believe, is only, yeah, it's only $9.95 a month. It's really not that expensive. $120 a year, which is a no-brainer, and then $12.95 per month. I just felt like I didn't need the extra bells and whistles. I know ways to get around all of that good stuff, and I didn't feel like I needed additional, color logs and hex codes and stuff. I've been in the game long enough to kind of know how to navigate some of that, but you may want to start off with it just so you can have all of your color codes here. You can have all your brand fonts together. You can just have everything in one centralized place available to you. Now we have their design school, and in their design school, what they do is they have different folks come in and show you different little tips and tricks and things that you can do and little templates you can use. Some of their options that are available, they'll do a little class on it. As you can see, they have a couple of different events, I guess, that they've had in the past. Doesn't look like they have anything recently, but they do have a little course here that you can take as well. So that's, let's go down here a bit. We have folders, which you can create folders and place different images into. I believe you only get 2 in the free account. And if you want more, you have to upgrade to the premium. You can upload your photos. You can share, you can have someone share a Canva file with you, and then your trash. So those are all your menu options. Now, I think it's time for us to go ahead and hop into our first video. So go ahead and click on the first video, which is up next, and I'll see you there.